Hi, my name's Anna and I'm the founder of the Dinner app, a meal planning app designed to make your weeknights easy and delicious with fresh and healthy meals you can make in half an hour. I had a custom built app, but it had restricted functionality, and to improve that functionality or increase that functionality, it was going to cost a lot to do another custom build. And I also was a bit concerned that it wasn't the most robust build. I was having a few issues. I also found it quite frustrating that I couldn't just go in and change text as I needed to or go in and fix things. So I had a look online to see what other solutions were out there. There are a bunch of white label meal planning apps, but they didn't have the functionality I needed. And then I came across Bravo Studios and I was like, perfect. It allowed me to not only design the app like I wanted it designed in Figma, but also to build it. I had a call with Toby and he talked me through the different options for build. And pretty quickly I decided that I wanted to partner with Calda to be able to bring this app to market in as quick a time as possible.
Dinner app is the perfect example of what can be done with Bravo Studio. Because on one hand, we were able to get the app developed very quickly in a very efficient way. On the other hand, it allowed us to develop more complex features such as in-app purchases, which allowed Anna to monetize her app from the very beginning.
I love working with Calda and Bravo. The process was really easy. We started off with a scoping meeting and very quickly Andre understood exactly what I needed and was able to articulate that in a really comprehensive scoping document. We then went through the usual process of a build where we reviewed the designs, made any updates that were needed, and then we kicked off development. Overall, the process was really easy, low stress, and I was really impressed with the professionalism of Calda and the way that they approached problems. They always looked for a solution first before coming to me with any issues, but also if there were any bugs or anything, their relationship with Bravo put them in really good stead because they were able to just get in contact with Bravo, sort out the issue quickly and fix it. I couldn't recommend working with both Bravo and Calda enough. It was a great process for me and I was able to increase the scope of my app dramatically and just make it the app that I wanted it to be. I feel like it's so much more professional, so much better, and I can't wait to launch it to my customers. I'm about to do that on the 29th of May and I just can't wait to see everything that comes with that brand new launch.